Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Today, new cipher. Today, I'm sharing with Hamster Combat Daily Cipher for August 23, 2024. Let's go. The first one, which letter C, need natin ang dash, dot, dash, dot. There we go. And then for the second words, which letter L, need natin ang dot, dash, dot, dot. Okay. And then for the third word, which letter O, need natin ang dash, dash, dash. There we go. And then for the letter N, need natin ang dash, dot. Okay. And then for the last word, which is letter E, need natin ang dot. Here we go. The words for today is clone. Okay, take the prize. Thank you. Just like I